today and tomorrow, we'll see about 85 to 100 patients in order to find 45 for surgery this week.
Some of them have been bedridden for months and years, and they will be able to walk again and carry on a productive life, working, etc. And I think that will help the team locally here recognize the potential that they can do in the future.
You're good. Bắt các câu hỏi.
Day 2, day 3, day 4, our job is to get them up, stretch them, move them, teach them what to do themselves, and get them as independent as possible with their exercises and their movement, their walking.
These Operation Walk missions make my heart grow bigger. That's it.
From the entire team of Operation Walk Chicago, we want to say thank you for being such good patients, so patient, and working so hard to get better.
Hay là cho đoàn Operation Walk Chicago.
It takes a very large team to do this kind of a surgery on this many people. The next is the group of physical therapists.
Rock and roll!
When it comes down to it, it's a simple operation, but the amount of good that it can do for somebody is incredible, so it's just awesome to see.
With one donation, you sort of achieve a triple threat of objectives: helping patients, helping our own folks become global citizens, and helping to educate medical professionals in the rest of the world.
Thank you for all your hard work. Without your work and without the money you give us, we can't do this. And without giving, there's no way that we can go. So we're all married together. You give, we go, and we work together as a team like that. And so we appreciate every dollar. We know how hard you've worked for every dollar, and every single dollar counts, and we appreciate that.